open. I hope you all can hear me. I know it's loud. I do apologize. I know it's loud, but I need some air. I just got some new plants from a content creator who is moving, and I got some house plants. I moved back to the United States about 7 years ago. I ended up getting rid of all of my plants in order to go overseas, and so I don't have very many house plants. So she had already given away all of her garden plants except for the banana that I got. I have a dwarf Cavendish banana that she gave me, and so I'm gonna put that in the cattle panel, and I don't know where I'll put that in the spring, but I am gonna put it somewhere. Right now it's bleached because it's gotten entirely too much sun, but I need to find a place to put it, and right now the only pot I have has beans in it, and it's not in the cattle panel. So I don't know what to do. I don't have a pot for it. Don't have a pot for it. I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna think about it, and I might have a temporary container. I'm gonna have to look in the shed. I think I have a temporary container until I can figure out what to do with it, because I want to put it in a 17-gallon, 20-gallon container. So I'm gonna put it in a temporary container and get it into the cattle panel for right now. And then I will take the pups off. I do have a pot for the pups. The pups are gonna go to my sister. A lot of work. But first and foremost, I'm gonna get it outside, because it's an outside plant. I don't want to bring it inside. And I'm gonna get all the house plants in the house. I doubt I'll show you all, but I'll show you the car. So I'll show you that when I get home. I have so many leaves in the car that is blocking my vision. I am praying that I make it home safely, because I can barely see out the back window. I can't see my side mirror on my right side because this plant is so huge. So far so good. So far so good. So yeah. House plants. Oh, I'm excited about it. I'm hoping I can keep them alive. I don't know. I don't know about some of these, so I don't know what their conditions are and how to care for them. So it's going to be trial and error, for certain. Trial and error. But I did want house plants in my house to clean the air, clear the air, and give me some nice feng shui. So I'm almost home, so I'll see you all in a minute. This is the back of the car, loaded with plants. The inside of my car, loaded with plants, as well as a privacy screen. And I even have one huge plant. I don't know if you all can see it. Let me see, in the front seat. So loaded down with houseplants. I have no idea where they're all gonna go. This is a banana, a dwarf Cavendish banana. That's gonna go in the greenhouse because it is needing food and less sunlight. It's very yellow, but we're gonna give it some rehab.
2 hours later.
Days later. Y'all know it's days later. I don't have my microphone on, so I do apologize. I'm in my home office. I'm working on some Christmas gifts, and I realized that I did not do an outro, and I apologize. So I want to say thank you for joining me in the car. Ugh. It's probably been about like 2 weeks. Sorry. Thank you for joining me in the car. The houseplants have made it to the house. Some of them are in their permanent location. Some of them are, I'm not sure yet. I don't have very good lighting in the house, so what I did was I brought the two plant lights that I had in the indoor garage grow space. I brought those in the house, so now I've got 4 plant lights in the house. I think I'm gonna have to change those bulbs. So they are sitting where they're sitting. I'm not gonna give you guys a view of what they look like in the house because yeah, no. I don't know if they're gonna live there. I don't have a show house. I have a house that's very much lived in, and I've got seeds all over my dining room table. Darn it, I forgot the other seeds outside. I just came from outside and I harvested some more seeds, and so I need to go get those seeds. I harvested another pumpkin and I left it all outside. So yeah, I have a gardener's house. I've got crafts and things inside of my office. I keep all the doors closed, that way I can close the door and I'm not worried about the projects that I am in the midst of. I can't close the door on my dining room because yeah, there's no door. I have a canning project that is about to commence, if not today because I'm tired. I already got a cup of tea while I work on these Christmas gifts. But I've got a canning project that I'm going to be working on in a couple of days. So my countertop, I've already taken out the stuff that I need for canning. The jars are being washed in the dishwasher. So I don't have a show house. Just know that, I'm happy with what I've done. I'm happy that I live here. The printer is talking, y'all. It is telling me I gotta hurry up and get back to doing what I was doing because I need to not be up to 2 o'clock in the morning. So let me do that. So I want to say again, thank you guys for joining me in the car. Sorry about not giving you guys an outro, but hey, y'all got a little bit of some extra 2 weeks later. You know that I am a human being. I am a personable person because I mean, yeah, this is the real me. And yeah, thank you. Leave me a comment. Share the video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Turn on those notification bells, and I'll see you in the next video. So until then, bye for now, because my printer is like, girl, come on. We got things to do. So bye for now, y'all.